Welcome back, everybody. With modern technology, we get modern conveniences. We're buying everything online and having it delivered to our front door. Our next guest has a prime example of why that doesn't work for everything, especially visit to your dentist. She's here to set the record straight on what's best for straightening your teeth and other things. The Texastoothlady is back, also known as Dr. Terri Alani. Hello, Terri. All right. It is nuts, the things that we're buying online and things that we were used to, like going and feeling and seeing and having to talk to a professional. We're kind of bypassing that, but you're saying, listen, you're bypassing it with some risk.
As you know, I do SnapOn Smile, which really is the only one that really fits right. And they're cutting my picture out and they're using my videos of my patients, and they are fraudulently advertising them on their sites. And this is on almost all of the sites.
Wow.
So we've been trying to stop it, but it is buyer beware.
Yeah. Okay, starting with the DIY Internet Cosmetic Removal Veneers. It's like, okay.
Well, here's the thing. A consumer cannot, and I repeat, cannot take their own impression accurately. You've been to the dentist, you know that sometimes it takes us 2 times to get an impression done accurately. In our office, we actually send the patients for digital impressions. Now, this is an example of an internet appliance. Does that look like a cosmetic appliance that has corrected the patients? First of all, there's no way they can eat with it. It's totally crooked. Look at the top. It's incredibly bulky. This patient actually came in to see us, and we did do a SnapOn Smile. She spent $1,200 on this.
$1,200 on that?
Yes, $1,200 on top and bottom, and it absolutely does not fit.
Okay.
It's not just it doesn't fit, it's not cosmetic. They haven't done anything to enhance her smile.
One of my other concerns would be this, too. I know that you say when somebody wants to SnapOn Smile or anything cosmetic, the first thing you need to do is make sure their teeth are healthy. So if you're just buying this and putting something on top of teeth that have cavities and decaying anyway, you're gonna make matters worse.
Well, here's the problem. If you're looking to have a cosmetic appliance, the reason you do not want to go on the internet is if you've got gum disease, if you have loose teeth, if you have flared teeth, there are contraindications for a cosmetic appliance. You have no idea that that isn't. The other thing is they actually charge to retake your impressions. So if you're going to retake an impression, there is a charge, and there are also no refund policies that they have, so you can't get your money back. The customer service is difficult. The problem is, do not do it because you have no idea it doesn't work. It's not the same material. It's not going to last. You can't eat with it. Why are you doing it?
Yeah, like we saw that one device that looked like it was kind of a Snap-on type thing, but you could just move it like this. It was so flimsy.
It's so flimsy, yes.
This is a Snap-on Smile
Okay, so this is a Snap-on Smile. These are actually a patented acetyl resin. This is the same material that NASA used for the space shuttle cabinets. It's an incredibly durable, lasts 3 to 5 years. These are actually milled at DenMat Lab. It's the only lab in the country that makes them. They're approved by the ADA. And they are so durable, you can eat with them. And the reason they fit so well is, first of all, you come into the dentist and we evaluate to make sure you're a candidate. About 75% of patients are candidates, but we take digital impressions. So it is a actually perfect fit.
Right.
And as you can see from this video, it literally snaps into place, and you can see the difference between this video and the video that you just saw. We get digital previews. We actually critique and make sure that everything is accurate. You have to be evaluated by dentists.
And if you have any issues at all, you can come back in and you can look at it and see why something might be not. But you know, it works every time when you do it digitally. But the thing is, you have somebody to talk to.
Well, the other thing is, how do you get a bite adjusted?
Yeah.
They can't adjust the bite. You're not seeing a dentist. You're doing this over online, and they're selling for $20 up to like $1,400.
Wow.
So it's just buyer beware. Here are some examples. You can see how amazingly beautiful these are because we do take our time, and they're so incredibly precise.
Yeah. And look at the different reasons you can use it, whether you're taking care of replacing discolored teeth or if you have some gaps. Tell us, like, who exactly is this for?
Okay, anyone that wants a cosmetic enhancement. This is one of my favorites. This is actually to replace missing teeth that acted as a partial and a cosmetic appliance. So it can act as that. It can also open up your bite. Let's say you need full mouth reconstruction, you can't afford it. This is an excellent tool for that. It's also an excellent tool for temporary implant restorations.
Right.
Again, here, this gentleman came in. He didn't show teeth when he smiled, so we did an upper and lower, and he now shows teeth when he smiles.
And you've seen some people who come in and said, look, I got some missing teeth, I'm working on it, and you can work with them on a plan, right? But they said they had like a job interview they had to go on, and so this has been one of those things that just basically replaces self-esteem, if you will.
SnapOn Smile is the #1 most affordable cosmetic option that exists in dentistry today. I lecture throughout the United States. I'm the #1 provider in the world for SnapOn Smile, and I actually teach dentists how to do this appliance. I also do webinars in Australia, New Zealand. I mean, this is not a fraudulent material. This is the real deal. And the Internet Appliances, I just cannot tell you how many patients that come in
Wasted
with
money.
these appliances. It's just a waste of money. I say one thing. You know what my saying is?
What?
Be careful on discounts on parachutes, heart surgery, and dental work.
Right. I thought you said you were saying it was going to be put your money where your mouth is, right? Okay. So they last about 3 to 5 years. They don't stain. You can eat with them, like you said.
Yes, they don't stain. And again, when we do, the patient comes in, and here's the process. The patient comes in, and we do an evaluation. We have to make sure their teeth are healthy. They have a full set of x-rays, make sure there's no active decay, there's no loose teeth, there's no flare teeth. You have the flared teeth, you're going to come out looking like Mr. Ed.
Yeah, but there are other things you can do cosmetically to fix that.
Exactly. Then we go ahead and the patient helps us with the shades. So we pick a shade. There's a lot of shades to choose from, and we take digital impressions.
Yeah.
That's vital. And this is a digital preview. This is what we get back from the lab, and this is what we critique.
Yeah. Okay, I want to wrap up with this because people might be confused, and that's what you wanted to do is to try to clear up some confusion. So like on the Better Business Bureau, there are people who might say, I tried the SnapOn Smile and it didn't work. They didn't try the brand SnapOn Smile,
Right, so if you go to the Better Business Bureau, you will see all types of complaints with all these Internet appliances. But you also see some complaints for SnapOn Smile. So I went online and checked it out. Well, it's not really SnapOn Smile because what they're saying is, oh, this SnapOn Smile Internet appliance is a waste of money.
It was a SnapOn appliance, but it was not
sold on the Internet. And there's actually companies that have used the same logo. There's a lot of lawsuits going on right now. So what you see on the Internet is usually not real, and half of them are my videos.
If you're getting the real deal, you have to get it from a licensed dentist.
Exactly.
All right.